Are we really evolution's last step? Or do you think humans are not going to evolve anymore? Truth is, our DNA is changing right now as we speak. 1,000 years later, humans might not even look human anymore. And I am talking about major biological updates that sounds like science fiction but are actually happening. So, is this the end of us? Or what would humans in future gonna look like? You're gonna find out the answer to such questions in this video. Firstly, let me tell you that evolution never stops. In 2025 data, scientists noticed that our blood and genes are still evolving according to the environment. Imagine we are still under construction and evidences are here. First one is human jawline shrinkage. Yes, over millions of years, human jaws have been getting smaller and smaller. The main reason for the shrinkage is, of course, the changes in our diet. Unlike our ancestors, we eat processed foods that requires less chewing, meaning our jaws may no longer develop the same way they once did. Another interesting example is median artery. Normally, it forms well in the womb to supply blood to our hands, then disappears by 8th week. But today, it is being found in more adults than previous generation. It's a small anatomical change, but one that still suggests human evolution may still be ongoing. So those are the changes nature already made. But evolution is not just about the past, it's reacting to how we are living right now. Which brings up the big question. What would future humans look like and what kind of evolution is going to happen? It would be the digital evolution. Since humans spend so much time hunched over their phones that some scientists think our skeletons are already taking notes. They call it tech neck. Basically, your head weighs about 10 pounds, but when you tilt it to scroll, it feels like 60 pounds to your spine. Give it a few thousand years, and humans might actually evolve a permanent forward curve or thicker neck muscles just to handle the strain. Another modern human example is bone density. Our bones are getting lighter since we are less active than our ancestors. Our bodies are like, why waste time on heavy duty bones? We are basically becoming more delicate version of ourselves. Even our hands, we are really training the sliding freeze grip for a scrolling TikTok vlog. But here's the catch. Natural evolution is slow. It takes thousands of years to change a bone or a spine, and let's be honest, humans are not known for being patient. Instead of waiting for nature to decide our future, scientists have found a shortcut way to rewrite our own biology in a single generation. This is the CRISPR, the genetic edit button. Think of CRISPR like a molecular pair of scissors. It can go into your DNA, find a specific gene, maybe one that causes a disease or even one that controls how we age, and literally snip it out to replace it with something better. This is not science fiction anymore, it's happening. Scientists are already using it to treat genetic blindness and blood disorders like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia. While these technologies are still limited and heavily regulated, there is an important question. What happens when humans gain the ability to influence their own evolution, as they are slowly moving from survival of the fittest to survival by design? Think about it. Will that still be called evolution? You can write your thoughts in comments section.